Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and today we're here at the #1 Boodle place, Hydroblasters MNL. It's true, it's #1 Boodle. First one, we will review this very, very beautiful unit, GQH F1? GQH SQB, which is based on the F1 receiver. It has very beautiful trades, speed QB champion. Wow. And you can see the motor here. So put your very, very expensive brushless here. And you can see the internals. Very nice. It's nylon and aluminum outer barrel that has ports. It also have an aluminum barrel which is not inches or metric, around 160 millimeters. So not that long. Slightly longer than the PDX. Trades, it has F1 trades. And for some reason, magpul. Is this a magpul grip? Huh. Even the magazine has few trades. So that's nice. Features, it has a MOSFET, ETU. So it has binary, 3 to 4 burst. I'm hoping this has a low battery sensor because it has a very small battery storage. So your battery storage, battery options are very limited. If you buy it here, it comes with this battery now. Here in Hydro Blasters, it already comes with this battery that fits this one perfectly. Although it's a pain to remove this one, since it's fairly new, you have to put the screw there and remove it and gently pull it out. Gently. It's new, so it's masikip. So, shoot. And let's just put it there. You can hear the MOSFET beeps. And first, safe, then semi. Oh, sounds so good. Personally, I like this one. It's not that heavy. It's around 1.3 kilograms without gel, so 1.4 fully loaded. So it's light. And it's very good for SQB, CQB, because it's light. And if you have a fat mag or a long mag or a really long mag, it's nice. You can really run and gun. It sounds really loud for whatever reason. Because you can see the gearbox here. See? So, dust magnet. BB capacity, usual M4 mag, which is GNG compatible. So the GNG mags will also fit ones. The long ones are perfect combination for this one. Upgrades. This is a version 2 gearbox. Split type, metal also. So you have lots of things you can upgrade on this one. Especially, but this is already fine because the piston body is already metal tooth, a lightened version. It also, the gears are also metal with a built-in delayer already. Although the tappet plate is weird, it looks different. That might be not an issue, but a challenge for some other people in finding spares. And this is overall good, especially for the SQB guys. Definitely getting one. Ching! My birthday is near, so I'm allowed. Range FPS is 210 FPS, so it's okay. It's good for SQB. CQB. The problem is this one, it doesn't have a MOSFET. No, not a MOSFET. Hop-up yet. So, and you have no options for attachments. But since I'll be getting one of these, I'll be developing a thread, an extended battery cover for this one. So, it will have options for hop-up and tracers. Tracers are required for this one. Range is the usual 10 meters. Can hit. You'll be seeing the firing video in the shorts. So don't expect much. It has a short barrel, but once you added the hop-up, it will become much longer. Price, this is 7,500 here in Hydro Blasters. Comes with a battery and a B3 balance charger. Magazine is also available if you want additional spares. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put them down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!